guys, so back in the studio. It's still a crappy day out there, you can't see right now. It's a Sunday as usual when I do my art, most of my art. So I decided to tackle these, I'll show you, wood boards. I have about 5 of them, different sizes. Some are round, some are skinny and long, and anyway. So these rustic boards could be like called cheese boards, some of them. We'll see what happens when I put it on there. I'm going to use different colors. I think I'm going to do a couple of ocean pours and then maybe 3 ocean pours, and the rest will be just some other colors. I don't know, purple and green maybe, or just purplish. I don't know yet. So anyway, I'm going to get that together. So I'm going to mix up all the resin, and then you can join me how I'm going to pour them. So wish me luck. I haven't done this before, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so before we do all that, let's introduce my Skillshare class, which is sponsoring this video. You can see my new class on acrylic pouring. You learn all about step-by-step how to acrylic pour for beginners. So I'm going to leave the link below and you go check it out. Of course, there's thousands of other classes, whatever interest you have as well on Skillshare. Just go click the link below and it will get you there. You get 2 months free and you sign up today. Before I was doing the resin, I wanted to embellish the desktop I did the other day for a little bit. Okay, here it is. So you can see there is some right here some pieces of this, because I was messing around with it. There was a hole and I tried to fix it. I'm gonna cut these off because you can't see much gold in it. There's some. And it came out darker, which I like, because I didn't want it so pinky. There's still some pink, but the black kind is pretty solid, unfortunately. But I'm thinking I'm going, I really like, this is my favorite part again. Ta-da, I like that one, and this one. I'm thinking I'm going to take my gold pen, and just do a little embellishing, make it a little more glittery. I think I could also use gold paint actually, because I'm still not gonna do any resin for another week. So I need to take a knife and cut that off quick. Anyway, I'm just gonna work on that. So here we go. I finally taped up all what I didn't want resin on. And you can see all the planks I have, the 3 different kinds. This one on the top there has a lot of holes and knots in it, which I really like. But as it turned out, it was really tricky to put resin on there. But nonetheless, I had a lot of fun making it and kind of learned a lot for my next pour. Because I was planning on doing 2 more, but I ran out of time. It was dinner time, so I have to do it next weekend, unfortunately, even though I wanted to actually do some taking photos for my Etsy shop and work on my website next weekend. So see how that's gonna turn out. Plans always change. I have to just try to fill it in. So I hope you enjoyed this little montage of me trying to pour on real wood planks. This is one of the pieces. Actually got stuck on the bottom. I don't know why. So I have to deal with that. But I really love these wispy waves, but it's got too many air bubbles. That's probably from the wood, because there's moisture trapped inside of it. So I have to sand this down and just pour another clear layer over top up to there. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave this part alone. I mean, I did it the wrong. I should have started from here, but I didn't. Anyways, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Sand this down and do some re-pouring, but I do kind of like the overall look, even though it's kind of messed up. Now over here, this is the nicest one of all of them. Look how pretty that came out and has barely any air bubbles. The only problem is I gotta sand this part off because the resin is dripping all over it. But it won't be that hard to do. And of course I have to sand the bottom part because it drips all over it. But actually look, it was pretty good compared to the other one. Now this one is not too bad. It's got some bubbling going on. I need to redo this part though, so I need to do it again. A little bit of sanding. It's really sharp. I wish I put those in. Anyway, put some more resin over top. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding and put a little more resin on this part. I think I'm gonna leave this alone, so it's gonna have 2 layers, which is fine. I really like the wispy waves the white alcohol makes. So they all have a little bit of a flaw, but for the first time, and this wood is not really aged, I'm guessing, so it's got still moisture trapped in it. Yeah, so just a little bit of sanding, a little more over top, which I'm gonna do when I do these ones. But I thought I was gonna be done next week, but I'm not. Got a busy weekend ahead, I guess. Okay. Okay, that's it for today and this weekend vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the Skillshare class and subscribe and like and share. See you in the next one.